When I attended my first server leadership program, I came to know that there is a champion program, and I saw many champions taking the sessions at that time. And some of them I already know in UST, and they're like role models, and how they are playing the champion sessions, and how they are playing their work also in UST. That inspired me, and I also enrolled for the champion program at that point of time.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I attended my first servant leadership program in UST in 2021 October. That time there was an announcement for about a champion program. I got inspired, as I said earlier, and I immediately registered for the program. And my account manager at that point in time was a champion at UST for the server leadership, and he also motivated and inspired me to attend this program. And I registered, and luckily I got opportunity to attend at that point and complete the champion program successfully. Yeah, the thing is that this program will change us totally, even in personal life and in our professional life. The way you look at things will change. Your approach will change. So personally also, in every situation when I respond, I think before responding, and I will do in a better way. That is the way I could take it from the program. I do encourage my team members to be a servant leader. It's not only a leader is not in your positional leader. As a person also, everyone is a leader. So my team members, I encourage them to act as a servant leader. And whenever I interact with any leaders in UST or outside, whenever I get an opportunity, I talk about this servant leadership program and the importance of being a servant leader. So it's not only in our professional or personal life, in our social environment also. As a person, it will be very much helpful for anyone to be a servant leader.